In season 2, we're gonna do sticky, slippery slime. Okay, so, oh, great. Okay. Oh. 5, I need 5 full tablespoons of cornstarch into the bowl. It's not full. You see this? It's so soft. I can't resist it. Okay. Use a small measuring cup. Measure 25 millimeters of water. Pour it into the bowl slowly. You get it? Slowly. Wow, this is so soft. Okay? Slowly. Okay? So, okay, I'm gonna put this thing here. It's kind of like a volcano erupting right now, but it's erupting from the ground. Then we need to use the tablespoon. Measure 1 tablespoon of blue food coloring into the bowl. Is it blue dye? I'm doing this the wrong or correct way. So we need 1 tablespoon. You know what a tablespoon means? How do I know what's a tablespoon? Okay. Okay, now we gotta mix it. Where's the mixing thing? Oh, here's the mixing thingy. Now we're gonna mix this cornstarch and water and the blue dye. This is not becoming slime right now. Oh, thank you. It's only smelling like slime, but it's not slime. Is it? Where is it? No, it's not. Oh! Wait! I think it's becoming slime. It's becoming sticky. Did we get slime? I have never done this. Literally. I've never done this before. We just gotta do patience for the slime. Actually, do you guys see it right there? Oh. Oh. I don't know if this is slime. I think I heard a sound. I heard another one of that sound. Let's see if it's a slime now. Stuff. Let's see if it's a slime. A little bit more cornstarch. Oh, okay. Oh, you're copying from the instructions. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I think it's becoming slime. Oh, it's becoming slime. I can't really touch it yet because there's more cornstarch. No, don't put more cornstarch. And make it become rocky. It's already slime. It's already slime. Okay. I'm gonna get the slime. I got slime. Yay. I got slime. I made slime. Yay. I finally did. So it says, what is going on? All the fluids have a little of viscosity, meaning how will they all flow? The water is not viscous and it flows easily. Your slime will flow pretty easily until you apply force. The slime, upon the force is applied to it. The more force applied, the more solid it becomes. Okay, this is the end of the video. And here's the instructions to make the slime. Okay, bye.